Hey guys, what's up? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. Yes, let's address the elephant in the room. I have some new hair. So this video is in partnership with Shake and Go. Thank you so much, Shake and Go, for collaborating with me on this video. So I'm super excited to share with you guys their new ponytail. So if you are into hair tutorials and how-to type videos, beauty related videos, that is what I do here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to see how I got this long curly ponytail with just 2 simple steps, then keep on watching. All right, so the ponytail that I have in right now, you guys, is super cute. It's curly. So if you have natural hair like myself, then you probably would lean more towards this like I did. I do have a straight version to show you guys as well. So this one is called the Mally Curl. The style is Mally Curl. I have it in the color 1B. For some reason, I do not see the length on here, but if I had to guess it, I would say it's at least 26 inches because it's sitting up really high. So if you put your ponytail lower, it could possibly look like 30 plus inches going down your back. But for the most part, she's pretty long. She is super long. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's really long. So I really like the curly one because like I said, I have a natural hair texture, but it is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And what's so cool about this is the Organic Pony Pro Express Wrap ponytail. So it's quicker, easier, and I'll show you guys, you'll see in the next clip what the hair is structured like. There's a new base size and elastic band for a tighter wrap. So this part here that you see wrapped around here comes on the ponytail itself. It's not like the old ones back in the day, or not like the drawstring ones. This one is the one that has a piece of hair that's going to wrap around your bow, that's going to pull your ponytail a bit tighter and things like that. So this is the Mally Curl, and I'll get closer so you guys can see the actual curl. The curl pattern is so cute. I really like this one a lot. So yes, that is the Mally Curl, and like I said, it looks like it's just covering my band, so you won't see that, and it'll just look as natural as possible when putting it on. You can wear her to the side, you can wear her to the back. You can also pull some in the front and leave some in the back. It'll give you the illusion of the half up, half down style. So I really like this ponytail and the length of it for sure. And styles like this are just super easy to do when you're in between styles like myself, or if you're just looking for what type of style you want to go with or how you want to do your hair but you're not quite sure. I think having these ponytails in your hair collection, comment down below if you have a hair collection, like a bag of just different types of hair. Am I the only one? Anywho, that's why I like ponytails like this, because when you're in between styles or you're trying to prolong the next time you're going to pay to get your hair done, you want to do something in between, these are perfect for that. So as you can see, I'm feeling myself with this one. So the next one I have is the Pony Pro Express Wrap in the style True Yaki. This one is a True Yaki, just a straight ponytail. So for those of you, my beauties, that have permed hair, or you like to straighten your hair and your hair doesn't revert back curly like mine does when you put certain products on it, and you'll see the products, you'll see me putting products before I even got it down to as slick as I did for this video. This one is super long because of the fact that it is straight. This one is not gonna blend with my hair, so that's why I didn't keep this one in, but I'll still show you guys how to put it on in the next clip. So I just wanted to talk about the hair a little bit, but this is the straight one. And even if your hair is curly, you probably can wear this, like if you need an extra ponytail to wear it in a bun, then that's fine too. But I definitely like the yakiness of this hair. It fits with natural hair, so I love yaki texture because of that. It doesn't feel too silky to the point where it's like, girl, we know that's not your hair. Like, we know it's not your hair, but we don't want it to really know that it's not your hair. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Anywho, and the package comes so well constructed. The hair has a net around this part here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has an elastic band on it, so it's able to stretch around your ponytail, whether you're doing it high or low, so that you can make it tighter. It comes with all the stock card information, and then the packet, of course, as well. So this is the Yaki one. I'm gonna hold on to this so in case I want to change it up. So if you want to see how I install this ponytail, then keep on watching. So starting out with freshly washed, blow dried hair. I had to blow dry it because, as you guys can see, my hair is thick. She's thick, okay? And as you can see, my arm is tired. Ugh, girl, this is a struggle, but I'm not complaining that I have long, thick hair. But for those of you who are always wondering what my hair looks like, because I always have it in a protective style, this is it. So I'm just using some moisturizing cream, conditioning cream, and some edge control just to put it up in this ponytail. When I do my slick back ponytails, I do like to use the Got to Be Glue gel. I do have a video comparing this to the yellow bottle, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. It'll be in the description box below. But here I was just trying to play with my little fake little baby hairs, but listen, nobody has time for that. So I just put my scarf on, and that's how I tame my flyaways and have it lay down as much as possible. But this right here is the Mali curl hair that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And something else I wanted to point out to you guys is that this is the Organic Pony Pro Express Wrap. The Organic Express Wrap is a smaller base size compared to the regular Pony Pro for a quicker and easier wrapping method. So that's why I really did like this ponytail, and I'm still enjoying it as we speak. It has this elastic band and that comb to secure the ponytail, and with having this band on the base to wrap it around my thick hair, it secures it and keeps it tight. Whereas there's ponytails I've tried in the past where it's not that tight and I just have to put so many bobby pins on my head, and that's so painful. I'm sure you can relate if you use protective styles and bobby pin like ponytails in your hair before. But this right here, absolutely not. As you can see, I only use one bobby pin. It already has a comb that's securing it in place, and that easy elastic band wrapping around causes it to be tighter, and ponytail is on 100. Like, look at this, super cute, and it covers your bun. So easy, so efficient and effective, and you look like you got your hair done at a salon. Like, so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy hair tutorial, hair review. I love this Organic Shake and Go Pony Pro Express Wrap. It makes it so much easier with having that additional hair to wrap around your band. But if your bun at the top is still a little bit big or is not too tight, you can always grab some of the hair in the back and wrap it around even more. All up to you on how you want to keep your ponytail in. Me, I like to take the ponytail off at night, so I'm not going to make it too tight, but tight enough where it lasts throughout the day. And when you take your ponytails off at night, it keeps the hair a little bit more fresher and not like getting matted or anything like that. So I will keep you guys posted on how the ponytail holds up over time, taking it on and off and things like that down in the comment section below. But let me know your thoughts on this ponytail. Are you a ponytail girl? Do you like having these options of different ponytails to put on when you're in between styles? Let me know down below. Make sure you check out Shake and Go. Their website will be listed in the description box below as well. And yes, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.